During the celebrations of Africa Day, to commemorate the 60th anniversary of the establishment of the Organization of the African Unity, the media was urged to seize the opportunity in shaping the narrative about Africa, with the slogan of Our Africa, Our Future. It was with this in mind African Renaissance Television Services hosted a celebration of Africa Day, hoping to fulfill one of its founding mandates of being a voice of Africa in the local and international stage. The celebration, which was all things Africa, was applauded by invited guests for showing the idea of African unity and admired the media house's aspiration in working towards being an Pan-African media, amplifying the voices, culture, and future of the continent. We caught up with guests from international organizations as well as the African Union during the celebration for them to share their thoughts on African media houses taking control of the narrative of the continent and showcasing the stories and cultures that have not been told yet.
You see, anybody who defines the narrative of your story will ultimately define you. And therefore, for media institutions like Arts TV that are providing a voice to the African story, to tell it with the authenticity, with the credibility, with the context, with the background that you do, you in many ways are helping to, one, consolidate our identity, two, put the profile and brand of the African continent and African people, and by extension, the African culture and traditions on the map. And by doing that, in many ways, the media plays a critical role. And until we are able to have media, many media houses like Arts TV, telling our story, telling the African story, we will not be able to seize the opportunities that the continent has for now and for the future.
We have, all the opportunity here. We have the universities, we can train journalists to be very professional, and the stories we can create. They say it's always better. If you all create your own story, it's always better than somebody narrating your story. They will never tell the real story. And Africa is very rich in culture. Africa is rich in tradition. Africa is rich in mineral resources. The most important, African people have all the talents. Africans have the talents. We have a lot of professors in Africa. We have a lot of doctors in Africa. So when it comes to economic growth, we can do it. When it comes to empowerment, peace and security, we can do it. Anything we put our mind to it as Africans, we can achieve. So we want the media to come together big and support Africa, tell the wonderful stories, the positive things that we are doing. We're doing a lot of things, but some of them people don't know about them because our media houses are not very strong or not very popular. But now things are changing. So we thank God that Art TV is here to support the African cause, and we want you to continue to do that. I would say congratulations to everybody, including Art TV, and congratulations to ourselves. As Africans, we are happy that today, 60 years, we are free. Africa is free today, 60 years, because of our founding fathers. So the media should really portray this. Thank you very much.